a new mother here. 5 ducklings have just hatched, so she's now becoming overprotective of her ducklings. And this is where she was nesting. This is the space where she laid her eggs and babies hatched here. This side here, this is another female here. Another duck here is brooding her eggs. They will soon hatch too. We will soon have more ducklings. As you can see, the structure where they were laying eggs and brooding their eggs is just a simple structure. This other side was the rabbit nest box. Since the ducklings need water to assist in eating or to assist in swallowing, I took this the toad lid and put it here for them to drink up water here, and also to swim on this toad, or to cool themselves off, since they need to cool themselves off on and off. So I prefer this one because it's shallow. There is no chance of drowning from the babies or the ducklings. Now for older ducks, some older ducks, this is where I was putting a bigger tub here for them to swim in. I know a metallic big tub that I can use here. Another option, which is something that I might do sooner, is to make a cemented shallow pond for them to swim in. So I not doing it right now here. I want a temporary solution only because I want to move them from this side to the other house, or other duck house or chicken house. So this side here, it was for the chicks. Currently I have layer chickens that side. I will get a bigger tub here, dig it in, let the ducks swim here. Why am I digging this thing when I have a tub? Well, I want them to jump inside the water easily. I'm going to go on with that idea, and then soon enough I'll make a permanent pond somewhere here in the home. This is a temporary spot here. I might as well have rabbits here. That's why I'm not putting permanent water here. I might have a rabbit cage here as soon as I get rabbits. Now, there's plastic. You may be wondering what this plastic is for. Initially, when I dug this hole here, I lined it up with this plastic. So this plastic is the one basically used for foundations. So when you are building a house, it's used in foundation, covering the foundation and build your house on top. So I lined this area. It was well dug, or should I say dug well. So I lined it up with this plastic and filled it with water. There was just a nice site there, so they were swimming nicely, enjoying that day. The following day the water level went down and went up. Well, apparently I didn't take something into consideration. Those claws. So whenever they wanted to get out, they would claw up on the plastic on the edges and then tearing up the plastic. Eventually the plastic ended up leaking, and it started water level started going low because the plastic was now torn. So I decided to remove it and Now I'm going to use a metallic big tub for them to swim in. This one is not working, didn't work. So the cement is a good, the concrete, the one made from concrete or cement, that's the perfect one. All right, yeah, nice talking to you. I hope some of these things will give you some ideas if you are going to do something like this, or if you are going to keep ducks. And I'm also sharing all this so that you can give me advices on the comment section. So I'm new to this, keeping ducks. I hope you like I say, give me some of your comments, or give me some of your advices as what to do, or as how you would approach the situation. Okay, see you around, see you in the next video.